You should come here. Dragons everywhere.
There be dragons.
Ljubljana. It's a city with more J's in the name than we think it should have, and home to the coolest water fountain we've ever seen. We're here in Ljubljana. We're about to go explore the city, get some breakfast.
Let's go check it out.
I'm just gonna like play in it a little bit, but there's a sign that's like, don't do that. So we're here in Ljubljana, which is a beautiful medieval city in Slovenia. Its history spans back to 2000 BC, according to what I read on the internet. The oldest wheel ever was discovered here, is that right?
Yeah, oldest wheel. The place is just covered with little restaurants and beautiful. There's a beautiful river here, as you can see.
Dragons everywhere too.
Everywhere's
This is the land of dragons. In ancient Greek mythology, Jason and the Argonauts fought a dragon here.
As the story goes, Jason tied the dragon's mouth shut, stuffed its nose with rocks, and since the dragon couldn't breathe out his fire, he flew up into the night sky and burst into flames. There be dragons.
We're about to head up to the castle. It's impossible to miss. It overlooks the entire city. Up the hill at Ljubljana Castle's chapel, the legends of dragons continue. St. George also killed a dragon here. According to legend, 6 virgins had to be given to the dragon every year to keep him happy. St. George slayed the dragon, and the dragon's blood turned into the river that now flows through the town. Apparently the dragon symbolizes paganism, but it's a symbol for like rebuilding Catholicism over paganism. So we just finished a tour, which was really good. I highly recommend it.
Really cool. You have actors acting out different time periods, as not different time, but like personas from those time periods. Really cool as they go through different times and different events that took place in this castle, which was pretty cool.
Yeah, it really brings it to life for you. You could probably spend a whole day here doing it.
Really nice place.
Yeah. While we visited, they also had an impressive exhibition by Slovenian costume designer Alan. So I don't know what happened, but I got up to the castle and I just decided to go wild. And I ordered this. It's totally unnecessary, but that is so damn good. We just came back from a day of touring Ljubljana, and we were sitting here in our awesome Airbnb, and we start hearing some music from the street, throw open the window, and this awesome band is playing right there. How cool is this? Did you know Ljubljana was like this? Or Slovenia was like this?
I didn't know anything about Slovenia.
The vibe is awesome.
Yeah, I'm very surprised.
They're awesome.
They are awesome. This place is amazing. Everyone should come here.
You should come here. Yeah. It's like literally touching me as it flies onto my plate. Tell me about the wildlife here.
There's birds and bees. The birds and the bees. Let me tell you about the birds and the bees. They're everywhere.
Jesus, it's like
They're fearless.
So we just finished our last breakfast. Our train leaves in 2.5 hours, but we figured we'd do a boat tour for relaxing. There were backpacks with us, so we don't feel like walking
just
around.
like the one back there, maybe.
Maybe just like the one back there. No, it's a wooden boat. It's a wooden boat.
It's not like the one back there. It's a better one.
So I was reading online that there's a legend that every time a virgin crosses the bridge, the dragons wag their tails. A lot of weird virgin dragon legends in these parts. So we're leaving Ljubljana. The train's actually supposed to leave right now, but it's 15 minutes delayed. I think that we picked the perfect time to leave though, because the sky is black. We hear really loud thunder and lightning. I'm excited to be in shelter and on a train, not outside.
I'm excited to be on a train. That sounds like fun, to travel on a train through a thunderstorm from Slovenia to, Zagreb.
Yeah, except I hope on the way here there wasn't any air conditioning and we sat in a private car with a man carrying a full suitcase full of wheels of cheese and smoked meat, and he was a rather sweaty man, and I hope for a better car this time.
If you ever see this video, I'm sorry, sweaty guy.
I'm sorry, sweaty man, but you're carrying a suitcase full of cheese and smoked meat and you're sweating profusely. I mean, I don't know. You gotta know that you're not the best person to share a very small, non-air-conditioned car with.
It's one way not to make friends, I guess.
There's no stinky cheese man. We have the entire car to ourselves. And it's air conditioned.
There is that screeching noise.
I guess that's true. I hope that'll stop, but
it's like a Prague with better climate.
well, we went in winter.
There
It
you
could
go.
just be.
There be castle grapes used to make castle wine. I know that because I'm guessing